Top ways to build intimacy with your husband. Hi, friends. Welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the simple ways through which you can build intimacy with your husband. You literally crave to be the special woman in your husband's life. Yes, you want intimacy with your husband more than anything else in your marriage. In fact, it is your dream. But to most of you, it remains an unfulfilled dream. It is because your husband never really responds to your overtures of love. You're unable to penetrate into the impregnable silence and aloofness your husband displays towards you. This makes you break your head as to why your husband is so aloof and distant with you. Where am I going wrong? Why is my husband not truly intimate with me? These questions literally plague you almost daily. It is true that it is indeed difficult to penetrate into the mind of your husband. It is because he never really displays his feelings openly. During your love days, your husband was totally enamored by your beauty. And in the initial days of your marriage, your husband enjoys absolute physical intimacy with you. But gradually, you see a drastic change in your husband's attitude towards you. Your beauty no longer makes him float. Your husband restlessly seeks something else from you. Are you wondering what your husband seeks in you? After a few years of marriage, sex becomes just a physical fulfillment to your husband. He is now more concentrated on having emotional intimacy with you. Your husband feels that only emotional intimacy can make you understand his true feelings and expectations. Yes, you can develop intimacy with your husband only by understanding his emotions from his angle. Passion is the quickest to develop and the quickest to fade. Intimacy develops more slowly and commitment more gradually still, by Robert Sternberg. These words are very true as far as your husband is concerned. You should understand the emotional needs of your husband if you want to be the special woman of his life. Are you wondering about the emotional needs of your husband? As a man, your husband is basically vulnerable. So, he depends upon you for his mental stability. Your husband wants your instant support when he is tensed and worried. He wants relaxation and comfort when he is at home. He does not want your nagging. Your husband does not want too much preaching about his responsibilities. Your husband wants you to boost up his sagging morale. He wants you to understand his innermost feelings. Your husband wants you to point out his mistakes in a pleasing way. He wants your affection and caring attention. He wants you to be humorous and not always be tensed about your family issues. But many a time you do not fulfill these male expectations of your husband. In fact, you do many things which completely puts off your husband. You're often glum and moody with worries about your family when your husband is at home. You often crib about family problems and lack of money. Your husband hates this complaining attitude of yours. When you're too complaining about your family problems, it unnerves your husband. Your complaints make your husband feel overwhelmed with confusion about the ways to handle the family issues you keep complaining about. This is the reason your husband often spends time away from you when he's at home. Your husband wants fun at home. He wants you to interact with him with good humor so that he can forget his tension. Your husband likes you when you laugh at his jokes. He likes it when you take his teasing in the right spirit. Your husband adores you when you have an excellent sense of humor. When you're humorous, it makes your husband feel light-hearted and relaxed. Something which he does not feel when you only complain and crib about family problems. You feel that your husband is being loving only when he spends all his free time with you. This is where you go drastically wrong. Your husband wants his own personal space. He does not like unwanted intrusion into his personal space from you. It is because, unlike you, your husband is not totally family oriented. You must understand that to your husband, his family is part of his life and not the entirety of it. He likes to spend time with his friends. Your husband likes to watch his favorite sports. Sometimes he just wants to laze around the house. doing all these things without you complaining about his irresponsibility and laziness. When you're demanding and clinging, your husband feels suffocated. When you insist that your husband takes you out when he wants to relax at home, he hates your compulsive demand. When your husband is denied comfort and relaxation when he's at home, it makes him feel jailed. So, give your husband his space to do whatever he likes. Do not clamor to take you out when he is tired and fatigued. This simple attitude is yet another easy way to develop intimacy with your husband. It is a myth that men like only docile women. In fact, your husband wants you to be self-confident. When you handle family issues deftly, your husband admires your guts. When you do your own work without depending upon him, he is pleased about your capability. Your husband might be professionally successful, but he does not have the capacity to handle family problems. Your husband easily chips under it. When you become the pillar of strength of your husband, he is totally enamored by you. When you take care of your husband with love, he feels comfortable living with you. Your husband also likes the small physical gestures of love, ruffling his hair, giving him a warm hug, and even pleasantly smiling at him. These cute, romantic physical gestures make your husband feel your love instantly. Yet another easiest way to the heart of your husband is through his stomach. When you cook your husband his favorite dish, he adores you for it. Your husband literally hates it when you're dominating and bossy. Your bossy nature makes him completely deviate from you. Your husband does not like it when your voice is high-pitched and loud. Your husband literally winces with revulsion when you command him. So, talk with your husband softly. Explain family matters reasonably and without adding your own color to it. When you practice these simple tricks, you'll be amazed by the instant positive reaction you get from your husband. Being friendly and reasonable is an emphatic way to build intimacy with your husband. Sexual intimacy is just a fleeting physical closeness your husband enjoys with you. He easily forgets about it. But when you understand the male needs of your husband, he adores you. Your loving nature makes your husband trust you. When your husband trusts you, he will never hide anything from you. Your easy companionship makes your husband feel relaxed. Your understanding attitude makes your husband feel sheltered. Your understanding behavior makes your husband completely and emotionally intimate with you. This is the sort of true intimacy you should enjoy with your husband. It is this sort of intimacy which has an everlasting positive impact in your relationship. Did this video make you understand the simple tricks to enjoy real intimacy with your husband? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.